Go.
All right, today we are going to talk about dirt. No, not that kind of dirt. We're going to talk about distance, rate, and time. This is our formula for distance, rate, and time. The D stands for distance, and that is a measurement of how far an object travels from point A to point B. That generally is measured in miles when we are talking about a car driving or somebody walking. R is our miles per hour. And that just means how far did somebody go in an hour.
Go.
This is one speed limit sign coming into a neighborhood. The rate of speed is 15 miles per hour, or within 1 hour, that vehicle will travel 15 miles. The T stands for hours. For that, if I have a car that goes from A to B and they take 1 hour, I would put a 1 in for the hours. If they go from A to B and they take 2.5 hours, I would put 2.5 in for the hours. My first step when I get a problem is to write down my formula, because my formula is something that is never going to change. So we have our distance is equal to our rate times our time. Then I'm going to take the information that the problem has given me and plug that in. This first one, distance, stands for the total distance that they traveled. So I put my 30 in for that D. The second one, rate, that is what they want me to find. So we're going to leave that R as a variable. And last, time is 0.5 or half of an hour. So we are going to put 0.5 in for T. When we solve for a variable, for R in this case, we have to look at the operation. We have multiplication right here. To get R by itself, we have to do the inverse operation, or the opposite. The inverse of multiplication is division. So we're going to divide by 0.5 on this side, and what I do to one side, I have to do to the other. So we're going to divide by 0.5 on the other side as well. When I do that, these cancel out, and I'm left with R, and 30 divided by 1/2, or half of 30, is 15. So I know for this problem, my rate of speed was 15 miles per hour. Our first word problem says Ava rode her bike at a rate of 5 miles per hour. She rode for a total of 3 hours. How far did she ride her bike? First step, write in my formula. Distance is equal to rate times time. Then we are going to go back into our problem and find the information. The first one I come to is that she rode her bike at a rate, that's my key word, rate of 5 miles per hour. So I know that that 5 goes right here with the rate. Then it says she rode for a total of 3 hours. Hours stands for time. So I know 3 goes in for my time. The last one, it is asking me how far. How far? That is a measurement of distance. So we're going to put D in and keep that variable because we know what we're solving for. Now, I'm just going to multiply on one side of my equation. 5 times 3 is 15. Bring my variable down. And I have my distance is 15 miles.